Are you a trader and have a very good accuracy, but you're short with funds? So I have brought up a thing with which this constraint will be not an issue anymore, and you will be able to earn money with it. So let's get started. So, what exactly is this thing? So, we have seen that there are multiple platforms that, upon signing up and paying up a premium fees, you can get some accounts with which you can trade, and upon gaining an accuracy as well as earning a certain profit margin, you will get a certain share of the profit. But what I have brought up is a thing with which you will be able to trade all crypto, and you do not require to put up any fees, and there is no need to give any fee for that as well. So if you do not have any investment and you have a pretty good accuracy, so what I have brought is this program. So for this, let's head down to our computer screen. So what we have here is Bitget Trader Pro program. What exactly is this program? So basically, it offers you 10,000 USDT, with which, if you have a good trading skills and good strategy, and you are able to earn certain amount of profit, you will get a share of this profit. So how it actually works? These are the program guidelines that you have to read, that you can click start. So there are basically three programs, but only one is offering at the moment. The amount balance that you will get is 10,000 USDT. Maximum loss per day is 1,000, and account maximum loss is 3,000. Minimum trading days per 30 days are 10, and you can get started with $0. You do not need any money at the moment. After a certain time period, they will also offer elite account as well as legend account, with which you can get 20 15,000 and 25,000 respectively, and maximum loss per day with this will be 1,500 and 2,500, and they are coming soon. So what exactly are the program guidelines? Let me brief down for you. So you can start the challenge by clicking on the join the program. Upon successful application, you will enter the Bitget Trader Pro challenge phase, during which you will be assigned a Bitget Trader Pro demo account to start the challenge and showcase your trading skills. To successfully pass the Bitget Trader Pro challenge phase, your ROI must reach 25% profit, which means 2,500 of 10,000. Additionally, you must adhere to the trading rules of the Bitget Trader Pro demo account, which you will definitely given down when you are accepted. Throughout the challenge, you can monitor your progress through the data dashboard provided in the demo account. Upon achieving your trading goals, you can apply to conclude the challenge and potentially earn up to 10,000 USDT in fund rewards. So it's not in only 25% of your profit, but instead you can get a chance to earn 10,000 USDT as well. The reward amount is dynamically adjusted based on an evaluation of your demo account performance. Supplies are limited, so don't miss out. All Trader Pro program participants must strictly adhere to Bitget's terms and conditions. Malicious trading activities such as improper matched orders and watch trading are strictly prohibited. Bitget reserves the right to take necessary actions, including adjustments to accounts and funds, if the platform's risk control is triggered. Bitget reserves the right to modify or cancel the terms at any time and for any reasons without prior notice, as its sole discretion. Bitget reserves the right of the final interpretation of the rules. So there are much stuff related to this, and you can go through it on your own. So what you have to do is click on Start Challenge, then you have to provide your Telegram as well as why do you want to participate in this program. And after filling up these information, if the application is accepted, you will get an email as well as they will contact you on your Telegram account. So what are you waiting for? don't miss out this amazing opportunity which I have brought up for you, with which you can earn amazing amount of money without having any risk problem, without having any issues that you are short with the funds or you do not have any funds at all, and you do not have any investment at all. So what are you waiting for? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for such amazing content and videos.